We're going to talk about another step, very important step in our global journey with the One Colson transformation. We've ended up in a very good place. We've ended up now with a commitment to build a brand new facility in Jonesboro. So we're full speed ahead. For me, this is a sort of watershed moment in our transformation, something that we will be very proud of. Even beyond that, it's a tremendous catalyst for our vision of operational excellence, our vision of setting ourselves up in the optimal way for our customers and to execute our customer strategy. And I couldn't be happier for you and happier for the company. The journey continues, so strap yourself in. We're ready to go to the next level of our transformation. And this building is going to be a really nice catalyst to help us get there. So thanks for letting me come in and talk to you today. Very proud of what you guys have done. Proud to be part of the Colson team.